I'm just happy also for the MPBL, WMPBL, for having the kids or the players that we have now playing there, and get more experience, get more time to to share their knowledge about the game, and hopefully we could they could give back more, and to level up everything